By the way, should we go live now or in half an hour?
It's 9:30, right? I mean, I think that was the scheduled one.
Yeah, okay. Because usually we do it 1 hour later, half an hour later. But yeah, it's correct. Okay, perfect. We're live everywhere. We're live on Facebook, we're live on YouTube, we're live on Twitch. So, hi everybody. This is our very first webinar with Vijay, and it's gonna be a good one because we will be talking about how you can use messenger bots in your business, why it's important, and how you can make the most out of it. And I created a little clickbait title today that if you can believe that you can survive in upcoming years without being on these messaging platforms, maybe you were wrong, and Vijay might prove you wrong on this webinar. So, Vijay, without further ado, please introduce yourself a little. Where do you come from? Who you are? Why did you decide to start this amazing platform? We are soon launching on PitchGround, to be specific, tomorrow. So, word to you.
Yes. So I'm a COO and co-founder of Silfer Bots. So how this gets started? So I'm into digital marketing almost more than 7 years. Then 2 years before, I realized that, okay, so digital marketing, it's not one thing. It is SEO, SMM, ads, Google ads. I mean, it's crazy. And I want to be on one expert on one particular thing. Then when I was thinking what I supposed to do, then I realized the messenger is gonna boom in future. So that's where I started my messenger agency. It's very exclusive agency. uh, my agency is based out in Bengaluru. It's in India. So I started because it's whenever ask me that, okay, like are you digital marketing? I say no, I'm not digital marketing agency. I'm a messenger marketing agency, because it's
Okay.
very rare. Yes, it's very rare that, okay, like being on a specialized on messenger, and that too especially in India. So that's where my journey started. And once with the agency, I have interacted many clients. So when I take the requirement, so some of the challenges which we found could not able to do with that time messenger marketing platform. So it was very difficult. We could not able to close the deal because some of the small features also not able to available. Yeah, some of the existing things, okay, yes, we could able to tell them, we can convince them, okay, that is not possible at this moment, but we can do this alternate like that. So that's where we like started suggesting. Then the idea popped in me that, okay, so now I am facing a lot of clients. It's good for me that, okay, why I can't do my own platform where like I can customize myself for based on the client requirement. So that's where the thought has come into picture. Then along with my co-founder, who's a techie, okay, so with him, okay, I shared my idea. Then he said, like, jump onto that, so why can't we do it? So initially the idea was, first initially when we started doing it, it was very internal project. It did not had any UI UX thing, because our developers know that how to do all those things. So it was very basic thing, but it was serving purpose. And any clients were asking us any advanced thing, we could have been able to develop it, and we can able to deliver it. So after like thought, okay, some for a while, uh, then we got much more response from the client saying that, okay, I mean, can you give the platform? Then thought process come into picture, why can't we do it as a public platform rather than being it a internal project? So then we started working on to a little bit more on UI UX part, so that, okay, even a little bit training of our platform can able to others to do themselves. And the messenger marketing platform what we have right now, they are divided into two things. One is related to purely on marketing, maybe lead generation, or it may be like customer support, something like that. And we have other set of messenger platform where they are focused mainly on e-commerce. So we
Yes.
did not had this hybrid solution. So like because as a business we never know when we may need e-commerce, or like either if we have e-commerce probably we need have marketing also,
Mhm.
customer support also. This was the challenging part. And even now e-commerce messenger bots are pretty costlier. I mean like the platform whichever we take it
Mhm.
are a little expensive side. So this is where we thought, okay, then why can't we have the complete messenger marketing solution? So that's where the idea came in. So now our
I
solution
love
is
it.
hybrid of both.
Uh-huh.
So that's where the Silfer bot has been born, and it is in front of you.
Vijay, it's
So
so funny. The origin story is it's something I hear so many times and really often, that people start as an agency, they start like servicing clients, and they come up to some problem and they need to figure out the way how to solve it, right? So they develop a solution, and then they eventually open it to public and start selling it. And the reason why I love it is because it solves a real problem. It solves a real issue in the market, and you are actually your very own customer, which is the case with pretty much every founder we launched on PitchGround, which is amazing. So everybody, we're talking about why you need messenger bots in your business, because tomorrow we are launching here on PitchGround on Cyber Monday. We are launching Silfer Bots. Guys, I saw the platform, I saw how it works, and it's amazing. It combines like these e-com messenger platforms, with ManyChat, and with these with these platforms for SMBs. And Vijay will tell us a little bit more about it today. So Vijay, if we could maybe jump right into the presentation. Have you prepared something?
yes, I have prepared presentation. Yeah.
Amazing. All right, so let's jump right into it, and then we can give a little sneak peek to everybody who is watching how Silverbots look in the inside.
Yes. See, I prepared this deck keeping the mind that okay, people who even not aware about messenger marketing, it is
Mm-hmm.
very basic, but still it's valid. Okay, probably people who don't know anything about messenger marketing, how they can implement messenger marketing, and why do they need to have messenger marketing? It's a more important. Okay, so I'm just taking very basic level into the messenger marketing today. So basically, I'm Vijay Kumar C or Vijay Kumar Chennali. So Bottle Chat is my messenger marketing agency. It's an exclusive messenger marketing agency in India. Then Silverbot is our complete messenger marketing platform. So the agenda, what I want to have with this webinar is what is messenger marketing, why messenger marketing, and then understanding any particular marketing channel would be more beneficial when we understand from marketers' perspective, just like us marketers, and
Mm-hmm.
what is the benefit for a business and what it is the benefit for their clients or a customer. So that's where we can able to understand completely. It's although it is like for a business, but I wanted to cover from the three angles so that okay, it will give complete idea, because I know our audiences are from agency background,
Yes.
our audiences may be a business owner, or our audience may be a customers or something like that. So I just prepared that one. And how to get started? So this is the connect, converse, convert strategy. This we used in our messenger marketing agencies. In a nutshell, basically anything will get started with connecting the people in messenger, then we converse. It can be a nurturing, or it might be a lead generation, or anything like that. And then we want to convert maybe a sales, maybe a webinar registration, or anything like that. This is like a simple strategy that we use in our this thing. I will just take sneak peek on that one, and then like I will take messenger marketing platform comparison. So although it is not extensive comparison, a little small major points I could say that one, then I will take into that one.
Okay.
So this is what I was trying. Okay, how it is benefit for a marketer, why it is good for a business, why how it can helpful for a customer. This is the overall perspective that I want to take here. So yeah, so first we'll start with what this means to marketer. So I know in the marketing world we would be seeing this one, what worked 3 months ago does not work. So we know that marketing is evolving. So the things which worked before does not work today. So it is evolving. So that's why the messenger marketing things is there. I'm not saying what it was not worked before, it is not working. It is working, but it is not the way it has worked before. Take example of email marketing, take example of Facebook organic leads. So when Facebook have this liking the page, everyone started, okay, like started ad, and they got I mean thousands to thousand likes of that page. And now what is happened to the organic reach? It's very less than 2%. So now whatever the ad we spent on the likes does not work anymore. Okay, so hardly, even if you have um, uh, 10,000 people, it hardly reaches for like 100 to 200. Does not work this one. So it is evolving. So in order to evolve ourselves, so this is the time that messenger marketing come into picture. And you can clearly see the timeline. Okay, so how we been came from email, SMS marketing, web, mobile, social media marketing,
Hmm.
and to now the presently on chatbot marketing, geofencing, artificial intelligence. So this is what evolving. So this is the one major reason for either marketers or a business. Okay, it is needed. Okay, because since marketing is evolving, it, so as a marketer, if we are not evolved, we just like any other software, we are absolute. So then the communication is changing. Like I do remember that, okay, we used to have our land phone where used to pick the call, and then we have the email marketing. Okay, so the things had been changed. The way you could see that clearly the communication has been changing. So the messenger would solve a lot of the problem which was not happening in the older channel. Because even text message or email thing, or like even phone call or cold call, warm call, whatever you call those things, those are I mean those had some limitation.
Hmm.
If in case of SMS marketing, okay, so it is not that much interactive, where we could not able to have the either photo or maybe gif, maybe video. Like we can't able to do with SMS. Yeah, probably something Google is coming up with the RCS, that is SMS2, that's they claim, probably then we can think of. But this is not happening. But with messenger marketing, I mean, even before this webinar we were chatting in the messenger, right? So
Absolutely.
this has been changed. So uh, even my mom, she started using messenger. So that this messenger is penetrating everywhere. Okay, so it's time for marketers or a business is move on to the messenger. So because the communication is been changing. And I'll show in the future, I mean in the upcoming slide, that okay, the people who are using messenger are already crossed people are using the social media apps. So that's the thing, that okay, like when we see clear growth, then it's time for us to concentrate on messenger apps.
Hmm.
So that's what this messenger marketing. So what is messenger marketing? Basically, it is act of marketing to prospects or leads or customers in an interactive and engaging way on a message. To be simple, very simple as much possible. So it can be your prospects or a lead or a customer, where we want to have interactive engaging way of messaging them. Okay, so I mean the beauty of this one, okay, when we are engaging, we could able to understand what kind of the prospects leads are there, and without they knowing themselves, they are giving a lot of their information that to understand. Okay, see, it is not only that, okay, they are giving us information. As a business, we can able to change the way we do business also. Assuming that, okay, if one business, this is one of the client which we had when we started messenger marketing. So we were in a perception of that our client would be like both male and female, both like 50-50%. Then we
Okay.
started it. But surprisingly, when we started seeing in the messenger, we see 70% of them are female. So now this business can clearly like now can concentrate more on that female this thing. Maybe
Hmm.
this is a very simple thing, okay, the male or female thing. But this can't happen in our, I mean, Facebook ads. Okay, because people like it.
Interesting.
People listen, commenting or this thing, that would be very difficult us to see that, okay, whether he's a male or a female. Like like this thing, like this, so many things which we can able to get the audience pulse or audience I mean the people, what kind of people. So this will help us as a business to shapen their vision or like change the path of their vision. So this is what messenger marketing. So when it comes to like any, this is a general product adoption curve. So
Yes.
any product has to has to go through this phase. So if you ask me where we are at, okay, so we are at very early adopter stage.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is picking up now. The numbers are already increasing. uh, Although the usage numbers are being increased, but business using messenger bots are still not at there. They are
Mm-hmm.
still at early adopters. With recent F8, what Mark Zuckerberg said is that okay, only 1% of businesses are using messenger chatbot. You see, we have almost zero competition. So because 1% we have, so we have still 99% other things which people are not even concentrating on messenger marketing. So
Mm-hmm.
this is gonna be boom. Okay, so since we are into very early adopting stage, okay, this gonna boom. Okay, so we will get early adopter advantage.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this is where I can say that we are in very early adopting stage. So why messenger marketing? So go where customer lives. So this is where like I mean we were talking that okay, even we are live on Twitch. So why we are Twitch? Because we want to make sure our customer where they are, we want to reach them. So why
Absolutely.
we are in Facebook? Because where our customers are, we are reaching. So similarly here here. So let me show you the clear path. Okay, you can see that okay, somewhere in the 2015, you can see the messaging apps have been surpassed the social networks. So this meaning that the big four messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, then Viber, Telegram, the number of users are already crossed the number of people who are using social network apps like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, LinkedIn. So this clearly shows that okay, people are here. So when people are here, then moving to this channel would be more appropriate, because you know the number you can see that okay is like already it's crossed and it is moving up and up. So still if we are doing social media I mean ads as of now, so the future gonna be the ads gonna be a click to messenger ads. So this shows us that okay, it's time for us to adopt this messenger marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take other things. So messengers are not something new to us. We had been there like probably 90s, okay, where we had MSN, we had American Online AOL, and we had Yahoo Messenger. So it is not something new. But due to penetration of mobile smartphones, so the messenger app picked up. You could see that okay, so in 2009, so where WhatsApp, you can see Messenger, the graph clearly shows that okay, with the penetration of the smart mobile, okay, this Messenger has been grown such a the growth you can't even think of anything happened in the this thing. Okay, so definitely I don't think so smart mobile gonna be dying, and definitely like everyone want to be into the smartphone. So then this clearly shows that okay, WhatsApp, Messenger, WeChat, iMessage, down the line RCS, everything gonna be like picking up so crazily. So if we can start now, then we can make much more things in future.
Mm-hmm.
Or else if we do little later, probably I think it would be too late for us any business to start with messaging.
Hmm.
Okay, so these are the most popular global mobile messengers. So WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and WeChat. So there are like other like Viber, Telegrams. Those are all this. These are the pretty big, huge list. Um so and overall, like there are 5.5 billion, 5.5 plus billion people are already in Messenger. So this is where now people are here. It's time for us to catch them. So as a marketer. So yeah. Okay, so these are the some of the stats, okay, which I picked up from the internet, from the good source like Mailchimp. I'll just show in the next slide, and even I will show that okay how this is happening. So if you see that the email marketing open rates are 27.35. This is very higher side. You know, like very few industry has this many open rates. So if out of 100 email you send, okay, people are opening 27, that I'm saying that, okay, that is the industry might be a government service or maybe hobby, something like that. What if is a competitive things, a competitive industry? I don't see any industry would be having like 10 to 15%. It is challenging, and we need to do lot many things, tactics to have more opening rates. Means because we are into already competition is there, okay, maybe we need to do creative, maybe we need to do lot of personalization, maybe we need to get some costly software to do all magic to get the open rates. So even though after people opening the mail and the click through rate, you can see that hardly not even 5%. So for any competitive industry, it would be not more than 1 to 2%. Then if you can send a mail to to 10,000 of people, hardly few people will open it. That click through rate would be very less, that okay, you can't able to sell your product, or you can not take to landing page. So this is where the challenging what we are facing email marketing. Then
Mm-hmm.
which I was telling, Facebook organic reach, it's not that I am claiming, even in the Facebook official page itself saying that okay, the organic reach has been declining. They give some different reasons, but it's very clearly shows that okay, when we have a boost button in the Facebook post, it clearly shows that okay, they want to make revenue out of the Facebook post.
Yes.
So or else if they can able to give us a reach, then why would they have that button to boost post, right?
Mm-hmm.
So even organic reach is no more, it does not work. uh, I mean, that does not mean that okay, these things are dead. I'm saying that okay, so you could not able to get the, I mean, the exact result what you want to achieve. When it comes to Facebook Messenger, as of now, I'm saying whatever the things is that okay, even we personally, our open rates, even our client open rates, we see 60 to 80%. This is
Mm-hmm.
far better than email marketing or organic reach, because we used to this one. So the moment when we hear ping out of our messenger, we pick it up and we see that what is happening. So that's the pulse is happening with the Facebook Messenger. When it comes to click through rate, there are 30 to 50% we have a click through rate. This is like, like now if you instead of sending 10,000 people, if you can send for 1,000 people also, your desired results will be achieved. Okay, so this is the beauty of the messenger. So it's time for us to take this onto our business, or else I know, like when we move into competitive things, then it would be too late for any business to adopt. So yes, the promotion tab. So I mean, definitely I get scary of this one. And every email, when we click on that, we will maybe pray the God saying that it does not reach to spam, neither promotion tab. Okay, so we want, okay, so we do a lot of exercise to reach I mean, to reach inbox. So I mean, there are a lot of things that need to be done. You need to warm up your domain ID, and then you need to, I mean, you should not have the graphics things. I mean, nowadays I see the trend that okay, sending only plain text in the email so that it will reach on email inbox. I mean, you need to do a lot of exercise, and all these are permutation combination. It may work, it may does not work. And there's definitely spam, it is almost like a dead zone. And promotion, I don't think so, even I would be not opening the promotion thing. I would directly go to on my primary, and then I see that one. We are in that situation. So even I'm not saying okay, stop that one and start doing it. It should be like parallelly things. Okay, it has to be have the clear transition between your marketing channels to a new marketing channel. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the mail open rates, click through rates, which I picked up from the different industry. Let me move on to this is the Mailchimp, whichever I showed earlier. The most opened emails are related to hobbies, which is open rate is 27.35. And the other thing is a government entities, 26.52. And then other things are art and artist. And you can see this one, there is no any competitive business are here. This definitely anyone can open their hobbies, because that's our passion, which we definitely want to open. And then government things, we can do it. Similarly, art and artist. Okay, so this is what the average open rate of all industry is, 20%. Then when we pick up for any of our own businesses, definitely ours would be in the range of 5 to 15%. I mean, mean, even 15% is too much high, I think. So, so
Mhm.
uh, this shows that, okay, now it's time for us to have the new marketing channel. So then this is the click-through rates. The stat shows that, okay, like less than 5%. So not more than 5% in any across the industries. Then Facebook organic reach, you can see that, okay, the in 2011 what we had, okay, so this is in decreasing order, although numbers I don't tease, don't take that numbers as a sacrosanct, okay, but definitely this is in a decreasing order. That's what I am trying to say here.
Mhm.
Okay, so then like, so now we have all these things. So now definitely we need to have the messenger marketing. Why this? Okay, so definitely, as I said, now marketing online is a challenging thing, and competition is very fierce. Okay, because we are into that world. Okay, competition is very high. So then opt-in, subscribe via landing paging is very hard. I mean, I don't see that. Okay, how many people nowadays, okay, go to a landing page, then filling all the information, then submit the button. It has been decreasing. I'm not saying it is not happening, it has been decreasing. And new communication channel that is not already saturated, yes, definitely messenger marketing is not yet saturated as of now. And the companies who become early adopters of this fast growing channel are going to have serious advantage, definitely, because we get a fast mover advantage. Any business who goes for new kind of things, okay, they would definitely have the first mover advantage. Then Facebook ads that are sent to messenger chatbot gets 4x to 5 ROAS. So this is the thing, okay, because we saw this trend in our clients. So even some of the clients, the the lead cost was less than penny. Believe it or not, we got that much result. Okay, so that was the powerful with the messenger chatbot. And the other beauty is that once people are into your subscriber list, you no need to like kind of a what we retarget with the pixel, no need to do that one, because they are already your subscriber. So now, yes, although we have Facebook rules in place, but still we can activate them, and we can able to you can reuse whatever we want to retarget, whatever, so we can do that one. So your marketing budget next time would be acquiring the new people rather than getting the same people. So that's what it happens with there. So what we do, we create custom audience, we use Facebook pixel, then again we retarget them. But in your case, no need of retargeting. Okay, I'm not saying we should not do so, but people are already in your messenger list. Okay, so now we have so many people. Now whatever the budget what we spend is to acquire new people rather than on a existing people. Then Facebook Messenger is mobile optimized. As a marketers, we need not to worry about that whether our app is mobile optimized. Okay, because Facebook is taking care of it, so we no need to worry about that. So whatever we do, definitely it will gonna work wherever we install Facebook Messenger. Then get real data about subscriber. This is one of the good thing that I can say that, okay, for example, any basic details what we seek for anyone is a name, email ID, and phone number. And I mean, we got previously that, okay, lot of fake name, fake email ID,
Mhm.
fake phone number. I mean, that's when it was the adding, I mean, when they want to do it in the landing page or like form or something like that. But here, the moment we ask, we don't need to ask name in Messenger, because by default, Facebook will provide us a name, first name, last name, their time zone, then male, female, these details. So we have name sorted out. So we need to ask for an email ID. So the moment when we seek for email ID, Facebook will give a suggestion. I mean, it's not a suggestion, it pops up the email ID what we have given to a Facebook Messenger. So chances are there, because when user wants to type it, that would be the friction will create it. Rather than what he will do, he will click one button, then his Facebook email ID will be just there. Even with the phone number also, the moment when you seek for a phone number, the Facebook will give you that, okay, this is a phone number, you just click it. So the number of the the real data what you get here is more. I'm not saying, okay, it is not I mean, we don't get fake email ID or this thing, we do get it, but the comparatively what we had getting before and now is tremendously decreased. And even to get real data, very recently, we integrated with TrueMail, the email verification thing. Okay, from them onwards, we really got very less number of fakes. The moment someone enters their email ID at the back end, it will go to the other integration, and it will check, and it will prompt directly it is a valid email ID or not valid ID. So now we are getting more better results. And messenger or instantaneous make customer journey short. So now it is like, it's not dialogue like a SMS or a email. So the moment someone comes in there, okay, he will ask for something, and based on that we will provide them thing. So the journey towards for converting them would be very shorter. Okay, so the customer or a client can make quick decisions. So this would be challenging either in SMS or a Facebook ads or anything in that matter.
Mm-hmm.
So we saw that one, the customer journey will become shorter, and definitely their revenue or maybe their converting leads would be more higher.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now, so whatever we talked, messengers, it's only messenger. So now in general, like this one. So now we I want to talk on why particularly Facebook Messenger. So because uh, the number says that, okay, like although it is behind WhatsApp Messenger, like 1.6 is in WhatsApp, 1.3 billions in Facebook Messenger. This is a huge number. And recent F8, they said that they're gonna open WhatsApp API maybe end of the year. I don't think so that gonna happen very soon. So right now we don't have very limited control on over WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp Messenger marketing. So definitely the one which is encouraging, which even Facebook is pushing to every way, that okay, to install Facebook Messenger. You might be seeing that, okay, the moment someone posts now, there is a call to action is a send to Messenger. You do whatever now, okay, there is a call to Messenger. So now Facebook is pushing very hard on its own that, okay, now we don't want to bother on that whether the user has Messenger or not, because Facebook taking care of that one. So we
Mm-hmm.
need to take care about our business logic or the business generation or lead generation, whatever, like whatever we want to do to do that one. So you can see the numbers here, 1.3 billion people are there. Okay, there are already 20 billion messages between a businesses and customer are happening. And there is approximately 300,000 bots, active bots in Messenger. So now, keeping the flexibility in mind as a marketer, Facebook Messenger is the only channel what we have, because numbers are more, their APIs are easily accessible, and we can do marvelous things in the Messenger. Yes, maybe once WhatsApp comes, then probably we can move on to the WhatsApp Messenger. So but having all this said, that okay, now we have a Facebook Messenger. So that's why, like, we need to concentrate on Facebook Messenger.
Mm-hmm.
Let's move on the next slide. This is more interactive experience. So this is what we wanted. Okay, so the moment when we do any sort of customer journey, we can able to design with them, okay, that is very interactive, responsive, and they don't feel like that, okay, they are into the journey of a business. They just feel like that, okay, they are chatting with a friend or a family or relative. That's what it happens. But it would be challenging when it case of email or SMS thing. So one example I want to give, this one. This is one of our client for lead generation. So we created the complete funnel. So when we started, people, like, we told that, okay, like, this is the one channel that you can come and do it. So they were interacting. I mean, it is just like interaction like any friends or family, as I said. Okay, but at the back end we could able to clearly identify that, okay, what kind of user or what kind of
Mm-hmm.
a person he is, whether he's a really lead for us, whether he's I mean, just like he came onto this one. Once we can able to identify these nuances in the businesses, and we can able to send them to a right channel. Probably when we feel like that, okay, this guy is like still cold, then this is the time for we can nurture them, we can send to other funnel. And when, like, we feel like, this is a hot something like that, then that would be a different channel. This will happen very faster, because like, the interaction up very instantaneously. But what would be the same funnel if I wanted to implement in other things? Take it either email or take other SMS or even social media marketing, anything that matter. So probably, like, okay, the all those things they have to do certain step, and then after that particular step we will do. For example, we created a social ad, then that goes to maybe lead capturing thing. Once lead is captured, then it go to CRM, or maybe my team will take it. Either I can call them, either I can do emailing thing. This the process, like some of the stats shows that okay, when we can decrease the customer journey, the sales are 50% more. I mean, it happened to our few clients also, and even some of the statistics when we read the white papers also shows says that. Because when people need something, and if we get right answer, then your customer are sold. They are already sold for us. Okay, but once they are there is a friction created, then it's very difficult for them to get back to that this thing. But with this Facebook Messenger, definitely you can able to close more lead, you can able to close more sales. This gonna happen. Okay, so now what is this for business? Now we understood, okay, well, like business, because marketers has to clear on that. Okay, like suppose if as a agency owner, when I go to business, definitely they will ask whatever the things that I explained before. If I am not clear on that one, definitely I can't able to sell my product. So that's the thing we need to understand from the marketing marketer perspective. Now this is for business. Definitely we need to tell what is the benefit for them. Okay, see, one thing, automation, uh, customer support, it might be a lead generation, or you can imagine anything that in the business that you can think of, you
Mhm.
can do that automation. I'm not saying that okay, we are in the present situation where we can able to do 100% automation, but we are moving towards it.
Mm.
So what would I say that okay, maybe some business can do 70% of automation, maybe some businesses can do 20% of the automation, but still it saves a lot of time of as a business. Okay, so that's the thing that we can able to do. Because um, when we used to get leads for us, most of the time, okay, we used to schedule call with them, and then we turned out to be that okay, they maybe they are fake client, or maybe they did not understand very well that one. And we are spending most of our time. Okay, but with automation, we could able to identify that okay, whether like for example, as a messenger marketing agency owner, when people come to my messenger, I was asking them, okay, like do you want to know messenger marketing, or like why you want to know messenger marketing, is it for you or is it for your client? Okay, these are simple question. By moment someone clicks that okay, it's for me, it's for my business, I know that okay, this guy is a business owner. Then I know what to tell for a business owner. If someone tells that okay, I'm a freelancer, okay, so because the questions are very simple, and they will click the buttons, and we will clearly know that okay, this guy is a freelancer, or this is a digital marketing agency, maybe
Mm.
they need for them client this one. So we can able to identify them very easily. Okay, so now we can spend our energy for right people. Okay,
Mm.
so rather than like, we can't treat everyone alike, so we need to treat them based on the what they are, so we can prioritize our things. So with this, what happened, now we could able to concentrate more on fewer sections, rather than like some of the people which we thought okay, they need a nurturing thing. Okay, because we need to nurture. Okay, so if we directly call them now, probably they would be not interested, probably they are not right now time for them to understand messenger marketing. So they write, okay, what would we do? We will send them other nurturing sequence, where we would be dripping them, saying that, okay, what is messenger marketing, why they need, maybe we'll send some case studies, we will try them. Maybe after a week or a 10 days, then that's the right time for us to schedule a call with them. So that's where, okay, we could able to optimize our timing. So like it can like say, as I said, automation can be answering the question, maybe engaging the prospects, nurturing the leads, closing the sales for continuously 24/7. Definitely, when we have implemented e-commerce messenger solution, our people I mean my clients wish to close 24/7. Earlier, when we see their sales thing in 24 bars the category, usually we would be seeing that okay, it would be in the morning times. and in the night times it's very less. Those were things happening. Now we could see the pattern is completely changed, okay, because there are night people like us, like me particularly. So when we want to buy whenever the time that one. So with messenger this enables, so we drastically seeing that okay, the numbers are increasing. And like with this messenger marketing channel, an average, I'm saying an average, we could able to increase like 10 to 15% of their business. It makes sense because 10 to 15% is not, I'm not saying not too much big, not too less also, but it's a good starting point for any business. Because now you are getting $100, now you are getting like maybe $110, $115. It makes sense, right? So now you can put a lot of effort on messenger marketing, and since it's growing that okay, we can easily predict that okay, the this 10 to 15% gonna increase in the future. Okay,
Mhm.
so this is what I was talking about, skyrocketing the sales. Because with the AI technology, we can able to understand that okay, what kind of people they are coming, what kind of they're searching. Assume that okay, Akub is more interested in my multi-vendor thing, where I have hoodies, I have a t-shirt, I have shoes, or like I have multi things. But Akub is more interested on the shoes. So when he come there, he definitely will search for maybe particular brand or maybe a particular color, maybe particular size. Now when he searches that okay, I know that okay, I can able to create the persona of a Akub. So Akub is a male,
Yes.
and he's searching for a 8 number shoes, and he's more interested particular brand, and maybe particular color. So now we got a persona. I mean, like there are other so many parameters to create a persona, but this is where we can able to do it. See, when we have a numbers more in channel, so with this Black Friday, before this Black Friday, my US client, okay, so they said that okay, now we want to get ready for a Black Friday sales. Okay, we are trying to ramp up, we want to give the discount. Okay, now can we able to do something for this thing. I said okay, I told my team that okay, go to the dashboard, get the all the tags whatever we told them, and get it. Okay, then we clearly saw that okay, which are the top products sold earlier, which are the top vendor they sold here. So I told them okay, this is the things. Okay, you have been like good at, okay, your clients are more interested on this particular product, your people are more interested on this particular this thing. So with
Mm.
that dashboard, okay, now I told them okay, you increase your offer either for this most got product, or um, uh, or you increase the stock of your thing rather than you are spending for all the product. So
Yes.
now they clearly made that one, and I think decision made right. Okay, because I mean still I am not yet seen the sales of them, but whatever I had a informal interaction with them, so it clearly says that okay, they are going into good direction, and they got more stocks where they wanted to get it, and they
Mhm.
got very less stock where they don't wanted it. So
Mhm.
that's very clear. Okay, so this is what okay, they can as a business, okay, this is wonderful for them. Okay, so the sky is rocketing. Then moving on to next thing, sky I reach. Okay, okay, so what is this sky I reach? Okay, this, like when we have numbers more, so you can't able to do one-to-one interaction. And thing is that okay, we need to do one-to-many interaction, and that would be possible with the messenger marketing. See, doesn't matter if your subscribe list have 10 people, 100 million, billion. Okay, don't worry, Facebook will handle all those things, but you have that subscriber list. If you want, about your audience, just with the tag, with the custom field, okay, you filter it out, then you send them right um, product or right promotion to the right people on the right time. Because we are working with a different time zone, we can able to clearly say that okay, on this time zone, go message broadcast them on particular timing and to these people. Because sending to all the people does not make any sense. Okay, because when Yakub is interested in the shoes, why would I send a hoodie for him? Probably he would be no more interested. Then I know, as I said, we can able to define a persona. Then I can make them like different chunks. Then I can customize that particular offer or anything in that matter. Then our broadcast will take care of everything. It will shoot to right thing. See, this personalization will get more sales or more conversion. So it might be a lead conversion, or it might be anything in that matter. Conversion can happen with the more personalization. So zero competition. So as I said that okay, because we are in early stage, and we don't see any competition in our business, it's time for us that, okay, like literally it is into zero competition mode, that okay, if we can have those things, definitely we will be onto the advantage side, to get more details about our
Yes.
people, and we can able to market well, and we can get more sales, we can
Mhm.
convert leads, we can do these things. So this is the beauty of that for a business, to why they need to get started. Then okay, so other things, more messenger apps are more marketer friendly, so definitely it is more marketing friendly, because if you want to send surprise, sending just text, sending a video would makes more better than sending a normal text, right? So
Mm.
this is where like market friendly, so you can do anything there. And messenger apps are more personal, definitely. Like whenever you interact with the even business messenger, it does not feel like that you are interacting with the business, because the way it has been designed to interacting one-on-one thing, but it
Mhm.
will happen one
Mhm.
on many thing in the back end. But when we start interacting with the business, it would be more personal. We just feel like that probably we are interacting with the friends, maybe a family or a relatives. That's what it happens. And mass broadcast, so you can build unlimited leads and then send marketing messages to them. Yeah, although there are some restrictions are there, doesn't matter, the Facebook whatever the restriction, as a marketer we always come up with a new way of doing the business.
Mm.
Then leveraging amazing artificial intelligence, yes. So with messenger, which gives us the option of artificial intelligence, we can do lot many things. Like example, the customer support is the best example when it comes to artificial intelligence, okay, because you could able to save a lot of your human resource. Because assume that, okay, like if we don't have the artificials in place, what would happen? uh, uh, the scenario what we had before we are using our Silfer bot, like whenever messenger bot tells it and user types something, it breaks and it will not continue. And like people are clueless what is happening. But artificial intelligence comes into picture, okay, when someone interrupts that one, it try to understand that one what is that message, and it will try to give the right answer, or at least nearest to the possible options to them. And this with artificial intelligence, the customer support gonna become better and better over a period of time. It is I mean, people should not assume that, okay, artificial intelligence is one solution, if I put now it will like work amazing. No, it has to be trained. It's just like a baby, we need to teach every day. So what you do, what you do, what you do, what you do, then okay, maybe like probably first 3 months or a 6 months or maybe a year, based on your businesses, your artificial intelligence for a customer support becomes smarter and smarter. Then over a period of time, whatever you spend on a customer support, you can able to decrease. So that's the beauty of artificial intelligence. Then you can automate the business process, certain things. So for example, probably although like email, as I said, okay, we have open less rate, all those things, but still as a business to business communication, we still use emails. Probably these are the things, probably when someone purchased, the invoice has to be sent over a email. This can be automated. Okay, certain things what business we have, we
Mhm.
can automate it in the messenger itself. Definitely provide 24/7 customer support with live operator takeover. So when basic things can be handled by AI, where it can understand, it can give the response. When it is something more advanced, then definitely we can give them option to talk to human. Because that's where then our support team can take care about the advanced level question. And once they take care, again they can train the artificial intelligence. Next time, if some questions comes like this, don't send to live operator. You just give this response. So that's where this is the option. It's a beauty. I mean, you got an option of a customer. I mean, like taking over of a live operator until unless customer needs or like even support needs. So this is the for business. Now let's understand. Now, okay, we are happy as a marketer. We have got new channel to market. Okay, as a business, okay, now we got to know about customer personas. Now we can ready for
Okay.
personalized these things, everything. But why the hell like customer wants to have the messenger? Okay. So yes, let's understand this one. Say happier to buy. I mean, personally, I mean, what I have seen, even myself, okay, whenever I want to particularly buy any product, definitely I would be having certain question in my mind. I would be first. I would be researching in the internet, or probably I will go to some review site. I would see the review, all those things I would done. Now I planned that, okay, I want to buy. Then I go to particular site. Okay, then still I would be having questions related to the business, not related to the product. Probably it might be a shipment time, probably like maybe something discount, or maybe anything in like that one. So assume that, okay, if customer comes in, okay, and whatever the basic questions, if it can answered by the bot, definitely I would be jumping and I would be buying it. So uh, the statistics shows that, okay, like more than 50% customer are more likely to shop with the business, they can get instant response. Okay, so definitely, for example, business A, business B. Business A as a chat bot, okay, messenger bot, where it can give the basic details, and I would be happier to go the where, okay, I mean, because it gives me whatever the information before I can make decision on a purchasing, rather than going a website which I'm clueless, where I need to send a email to them to get a response. Then definitely this is not the way I will do it. Okay, so this is what the good thing for a customer. So definitely for them it's a good move. I mean, they would be happy to see that, okay, they will not feel like that, okay, like chatbot are intervening them personally or something like that, because it resolves their problem. Then increased engagement. See, 40% of population say they chat with the chatbot on daily basis. So this is the one of the statistics. Okay, and so companies that utilize chatbots were able to increase their customer spend over 50%. So happier to buy is the what the customer spend by over 50%. Definitely now I know whatever I want and I got my basic things sorted out. Even basic shit does not sort it out, then there will be a customer take live operator. Then things would be in right place. Then I would be buy. So definitely what will happen as a business? Okay, I can able to make my customer to make decision quicker. Okay,
Mhm.
in the conventional way it would be very difficult for us to like make the decision quicker them. Okay, so for customer, I mean, definitely they got whatever the details they want. So and we don't feel like that, okay, we like as if that, okay, maybe me and my friend chatting on a particular product. Okay, how is this? Okay, is it good? Okay, what is like, maybe if in case smartphone, what is the processor, what is the RAM, what is the memory, this thing. Just think it happens with the this thing. So this way what will happen, it will increase the engagement. Then moving on to 24 bar 4 hours service, because I would need, okay, any online thing that whenever I go, if I have having a static website where I don't able to get any required information when I wanted, definitely I'm very rare until unless, okay, that is very unique product available there, I will purchase. Or else what will happen, I will just switch on to the competitor, because I get whatever I wanted there. So I can purchase, maybe I can fill in information, I can do anywhere anything like that. This can happen like 24 bar 7. Okay, where it can give I mean, definitely I would be happy if someone can give me a right information in the middle of the night. Then it will increase customer satisfaction, definitely, because like when I demand 24 bar 7 support, if that can delivered by the chatbot, definitely I would be happy. And in our Silfer bot platform we have an option called polls. Okay, and we say like what we did, okay, when people interacted with our bots, okay, we sent them the poll, and we could clearly see that, okay, they are happy with that. I mean, even though they are chatting with the chatbots, okay, but whenever once they done the interaction with the bot, we will send them a poll saying that, okay, are you satisfied with the information whatever you want. And it clearly see that, okay, the numbers are increasing day by day, because they got whatever the information they want. Definitely the happy customer, so that's what it will increase. This is for customer. So you can see that being able to chat with the business makes people feel more positive about the business, like 63%. Then that businesses cares about them 59%, more likely to trust that business 55%. So this is not that I'm saying, this is like the trends have been showing that one. So this the like, if they are happy and if they are very positive and they feel like the, okay, customer are being cared, then why would not customer would be happy to interact with the chatbot? So definitely it's a win-win situation for marketers, for business, for a customers. So in a nutshell, okay, so it can be done for a lead generation, maybe announcement, maybe we created new blog, maybe we created FAQ, or maybe something that, okay, we feel like that we need to tell to the people, we can do it. Maybe reminders, just like this, we are doing webinar, maybe at 9, I mean, my timing 9:25, if I want to send a reminder to my people, and I can do that reminder. Then higher engagement, definitely they will interact, and there is high engagement, this one, we can able to retarget. Retarget is not through pixels, because since subscribers will be in the messenger itself, then definitely we can retarget them, because as I said, Akub I know as a persona, then I can retarget him. Then promoting new products, so if you are launching any new product, okay, now we are coming with the new LTDs, so if you want to promote, we can do that. Okay, so then definitely to drive more sales. Okay, so in a nutshell, these are the things. I mean, this is very small and things, but with messenger, I mean, you can do marvelous. Okay, you can, I mean, anything that you can think of as a business, when it comes to marketing, customer support, or a sales, yes, with these messengers now it is possible.
Amazing.
Okay, so
Vijay,
yes.
we have a lot of questions.
Oh,
We have a lot of
I did not
questions.
see those.
Yeah, we
Okay,
have around 30 questions right now, so we'll be answering them. Uh,
okay.
so I think that we can answer them right now, and after we'll answer them, will you show us the platform?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, I can show you the platform.
All right, perfect.
Or maybe we can answer the question, then I can show the platform. So
Yeah,
whatever you
yeah,
feel
that's what
like
I
that.
thought. Okay, let's
So
answer.
what do you want to me?
I will be sharing my screen right now,
Okay, okay,
and you will see all the questions there. Okay,
okay, okay.
guys. In case you don't know, it's going live tomorrow on Cyber Monday. So stay tuned. And here's the first question. It's actually first questions are quite long, so read it, please. Which other chatbot SaaS provider as your benchmark competitor? Let's answer like one by a time, one at a
Okay.
time.
See, as I said, okay, so we are complete messenger marketing. So we are like a both of world, meaning that a marketing thing. So like I want to take precise thing like a mini chat or a chat fuel or a mobile monkey. This is a one side, okay, where they don't have native e-commerce things. They are into marketing things, and we are into other thing that is e-commerce. Like it might be Octane, it might be Jumper AI, maybe shop message, recart. These are the e-commerce one. Okay, so different worlds. Okay, but if you ask me, like I don't see that where I can benchmark my Silfer bot, but we do both of this world. So yes, if you want to do marketing, you want to do lead generation, or you want to give customer support, yes, you can do it. Okay, if you want to have e-commerce, yes, you can integrate with Shopify, you can integrate with WooCommerce. If you don't know e-commerce, I mean WooCommerce or Shopify, WooCommerce, in our own platform, you can do order management, you can add product. Okay, you can do this one. So we are both of this world.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
so probably like if you want to benchmark, we want to benchmark with them.
All right. Is your target audience more marketers or IT guys?
More marketers. So definitely this is for marketing.
Perfect.
Yes.
If it's for marketers, I like the flow of this question. If it's for marketers, what prerequisite soft skill required for your user needs? That's a great question.
If it is marketer, what prerequisite soft skills required for a user? Okay, see, if it is a marketer, see, I mean, yes, definitely there is a training needed. I mean, how to use our platform, because they should know that, okay, where the things are available. I think maybe a couple of hours, maybe a little bit, it depends again people to people. Okay, if they can know that, okay, where are the things are available, and they can start building the things. So I don't see any critical soft skills they may needed in this one. So I mean, they can get started within few hours of using, I mean, having the training on our platform.
Yeah, I think like basic marketing skills are needed. Of course, you need to know how to build the messenger bot in Silfer Bots.
Yes,
But I think knowing your
definitely they should know
customer,
their
like very,
customer.
very basic, like knowing your customers, what you will offer them in the messenger bots, whether it will be a coupon or you want to provide some FAQ or something. I think like this, but you can choose from the templates, right? In Silfer Bots as well.
Yes, so we started creating templates. Right now we have e-commerce template, and um, it is multilingual templates. So where suppose if you want to have in English or like maybe Spanish, Portuguese, so we create a number of templates, okay, where you can able to install them. And slowly we are creating the templates from our side, and there are few beta users of our previously, they already started creating templates for us.
That's
I mean,
amazing.
basically the templates gonna be increasing. And the other thing is that for an agency especially, we want to monetize with their templates. So we want to provide marketplace in our platform itself, where if they thought they built a best of best template, then they can sell their templates inside our marketplace itself.
Okay.
So it's gonna growing. It's gonna be growing. Yeah.
Yeah, and about other soft skills, I think that one of the most important thing in messenger marketing is copywriting, because you need to write a slightly different copywriting than, for example, in emails or on a website.
Yes.
It needs to be
Yes.
more conversational, right?
Yes.
But I think like a good foundation where to learn how to write conversation copywriting are the templates itself. So if you haven't done any messenger bot before, just load out the template in Silfer Bots, see how it's written, and then just tweak it to
Yes,
yours.
so I want to give one tip here. Okay, so not one, maybe couple things. Okay, so never think, okay, chatbot thing as a email. Okay, because I have seen that, okay, bad practice of sending a lot of information in the one chat. Okay, that gonna not work. Okay, because you just while you are doing copywriting, just think that, okay, if you want to interact with your friend or a family, how short precisely you will do it. Think same thing with the businesses also. Now, what is the customer offering and what kind of customer they are, and if they are interacting between just like a friends or a family, and how short things can it be possible. If we can able to like come up with that thing, then I think you can do marvelous messenger marketing.
Yeah, and you can play around. You can create like a bot persona, so it will be like
Yes.
bot John, or I don't know, or it can be like without persona. It will be just asking questions and answering questions, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
there are just way too many things you can do with messenger bots, and we'll show it to you in upcoming webinars. Anyway, next question. We have a lot of them. Is it based on Dialogflow?
No, we have inbuilt AI.
Inbuilt AI, perfect.
Yes, yeah, I want
Okay.
to give a thing that, okay, because our AI is like growing. Okay, so I mean basically, as I said, AI is not like one stop solution. You just once you place AI does
Yeah.
not make your business thing. Okay, it is growing. So earlier we started with like having other AI inside our bot, but due to business challenges, okay, what we thought, okay, we want to have our own AI. So definitely, if you ask me, dialogue flow and your AI, definitely don't compare with that, because we are growing. Our AI is growing, and it is becoming smarter and smarter day by day. So it's we are not using any third party. We have our own inbuilt AI.
Okay. Oh, this is a question. How many languages it supports?
See, I mean, most of the language it supports. I mean, maybe like copywriting is the thing that matters here. So yeah, so even we are trying to have like build one chart having multiple things also. That's we are into R&D. But right now, like if you can go to our marketplace, you can see that it is in Italian, it is in Portuguese, it is in Spanish, it is in English. So yes, definitely. One thing is that, okay, like RTL, right to left language, probably Arabic things. That's
Yes.
like we were something that uh, not sure about it, because since none of our team member has that skills there,
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't do promise anything about that. But definitely other skills, yes, other sorry languages, it is supported.
You see about messenger bots, it gives you like these building blocks you can build together and build messenger bots, and it's up to you, like with which content you will fill it, right? So you can fill
Yes.
it with Italian, English, Czech, whatever it is. Imagine it like WordPress. Like WordPress gives you everything you need to build a website, and it's up to you what images you will put there, what language you will use, and so on. So it's quite simple.
Yes.
Can third party do integrations through API?
Yes, we have already our open API. We can able to integrate. So we have already Zapier integration, and we have like MooSend, that's one of the email thing, Active Campaign, Mailchimp. So
Shopify,
basically we have
WooCommerce, a lot of them. Yeah.
WooCommerce. Yes, so we have our yes, we have APIs.
Mhm. If it's possible, are you using REST API?
Yes.
All right, let's move on. Does the bot support natural language processing or more rule-based?
It's as I said, our whatever AI is nothing but NLP. It understand natural language processing. If someone types in "show me black color Adidas shoes," it will picks up black color Adidas this thing, and then it will show that this thing.
Perfect.
It's yes.
Okay. Will it support WhatsApp?
Presently, I mean, as everyone knows that okay, the only limited, only 30 people has access to WhatsApp, but we are WhatsApp ready, but we are just waiting for WhatsApp to open APIs there. So, but
Okay.
as of now, we are not supporting it.
So you have the architecture ready for implement WhatsApp.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
If it can connect WhatsApp, do you use official WhatsApp API?
No, because we try to connect with those limited 30 people who has APIs, but that comes with bomb charges. No, you can't even. I mean, like we don't find people like paying that much, so that's why we dropped it. We are waiting for official WhatsApp API.
I see. If yes, hope it's not using Twilio as they stop approve new WhatsApp number. I think
No.
we cannot answer it. Or?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. What other platforms supported? I think next to Messenger, Facebook Messenger.
Facebook Messenger, yes. Right now we don't support anything about from Facebook Messenger.
Okay.
So, but we have in a plans to maybe in the next quarters, maybe 1Q, 2Q, want to have Telegram in place. So we are just thinking, but first we want to perfect the Facebook Messenger, then move on
That's
to the other.
smart. Yeah, master the one thing and then keep adding more.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
Is it only for chatbot or are there such handover protocol to switch between bot and human?
Yes, we have. So it can be switched. There is handover protocols available.
Perfect. Can we get the slides?
Definitely, I will share.
All right. How is it different from using Facebook Messenger?
Facebook. So, man, like whatever we built, we built for Facebook Messenger. There is no different.
I think, yeah, maybe we can elaborate like very basic why Messenger bots instead of like replying on Messenger manually.
Yeah, so replying to manually because maybe I have very limited customer support. Probably if one customer comes, I can interact with them. If two comes, I can open from one window to other window, I can chat with. What if 10 people comes? What if 100 people comes? Then it would be not possible. But with this, like once you set things done, doesn't matter how many people are coming, it start giving the respective answers for them.
Yeah. This is about the statement you made in your slides. Facebook ads that sends to a messenger chatbot get 4 times to 50 times. That's a brave claim. Is it claim based on a single campaign or on a particular client of yours, or there public research on this?
So the 40 to 50% is that okay? Our clients are already in that range. Not I'm saying that one, but some of the statistics which I picked up while I'm preparing it. So I even saw that some people even claim 50x also.
So is it percent? Because I thought this is like 4 times or 50 times.
It's a 4 times. Yes, definitely. See, basically return of your ad spends. If you spend $10, definitely will get $40. So some like whatever 50x, I know like if they spend $10, they would have been got $500 maybe. I picked up it from the statistics. Probably
Yeah,
if
I think
someone want to that and I can pick that, maybe I can get that link for them.
That'd be awesome. If you could please make a note that you might share it together with the slides in the future, that'd be awesome.
Yes, yes.
But I think like, yeah, it's very hard to generalize this claim because it all boils down to what offer do you have, and maybe this 50x was retargeting where you can get like these incredible returns on ad spend. So yeah, I would actually love to see the report.
Yes, I will get that.
All right, a long one. One of the main challenges for chatbot is not the setup, but the training phase. As on real world cases, people will ask tons of things that we haven't trained them to understand. How confident are you with your bot for its AI to understand intent, response, etc.?
See, for example, like when we put the post and introductory video, even some of the people started chatting in our bot. To be frank, okay, we could not able to answer because we never thought of those things. Okay, we might be assumed certain things. Okay, there would be certain FAQs in our mind. Okay, and we set up it up. When new things comes, we need to train our bot. It is not something that, okay, like any questions under the sun, if something you like users ask it, AI would or NLP or like our bot would be having response for it. Okay, it has to be trained over a period of time. So how confident with your bot for the AI to understand intent, response, etc. So here like when I go to technical level, whenever any question asked, okay, we right now we are approaching with the keyword approach. So we will try to see that whether like whenever, like suppose if someone asks, okay, do you have LTD in PitchGround? Okay, so LTD is a one keyword, PitchGround is a one keyword. Okay, so right now we are addressing this thing. Okay, going forward, as I said, okay, because it's our own with this thing, we are in our roadmap, which we will be sharing that, okay, which we are planning our improved AI, where it can able to understand the intent, response, double intent, all those things are being planned. So whatever we have now, it is good enough for like customer support, even for e-commerce matter. But I'm not saying that complex questions are being answered.
Yeah, from the UX perspective, I actually saw it in the demo you made on a live call with me, and it's actually quite simple. You will, as an operator of the bot, you will see all the questions which hasn't been answered, that there wasn't an answer for them, and you can just assign them to a specific answer or create the answer for them, and then this way you're teaching the bot how to
Yes.
answer next time, which is actually quite cool. Now,
Yes.
another part, I think it's not very related to the first part, but great question anyway. What's your expectation for someone with no experience in chatbots to have their lead generation bot launched?
Okay, so no experience in chatbot to have their lead generation. See, maybe they don't have experience with the chatbot, but they definitely have experience with the business. We need to mimic our business logic in the chatbot. Like, see, just take scenario like this. Okay, now as a business, how do you lead generate? Or suppose if you want to talk with someone and you need to like see that whether is a lead or like someone like that, you have certain pre-defined questions. Okay, so now you need to ask certain questions, then they will get response, then based on that we will think that same logic in chatbot. There is a text block where you add that same question and you expect answer. Maybe if it is not to like many option, it is not open ended, you give them example, like maybe like option 1 2 3, so that even you narrow down their response. Okay, so you need to try to mimic your business logic into chatbot. So there are blocks are very easy. It has text block, it is a gallery block, it has a user input block. So it is
We'll
very
see it
easy
actually, yeah.
so you can able to try to do it. So I don't think so they need any much experience in chatbot.
Mhm. Yeah, to put it in other words, basically, think about what is the lead generation process right now without the chatbot. How do you
Yes.
talk to your customers, and then just create a conversation around that, right? So what is the first info you need to know from the customer, and then create a question, put it into text block in Messenger bot, and go like this. So yeah, it's a really good tip that you should start about first think about how do you actually work with customers now, and then put it into bot.
True.
Then just using some generalized setup or something. Good. Okay.
Yeah, one thing. Okay, so even no experience should not be fear to try out. Okay, always try things. Maybe it may not work now, but definitely you know why it is not working. Then
Mm-hmm.
change the way of your approaching.
Mm-hmm.
Because not as a messenger marketing agency owner, not every bot which I created are successful. Because at first shot, okay, because
Yeah.
we assumed certain things, we implemented, it did not work, then again we will see that why it did not work, then we will try something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So don't be afraid to try something new.
Yeah, it's all about testing.
Yep.
Okay, we have this one. Will you over, I think this should be offer, white label agency?
Definitely, if I want to offer, Facebook does not allow as a white label, because what will happen, every app, I mean, every chatbot you create at the back end, there will be the service provider. Like in case of Silferbot, their website address, their details will be added in the Facebook page of the client. So this thing can be done in the Facebook app level. So this is somewhere beyond our control to say that. See, although like UI part, if I can able to say that instead of Silferbot, I can give some other logo. But if smart customers are there, if they go to their page settings and then Messenger, then they can able to clearly see that, okay, this is from Silferbot.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why like technical challenges does not allow for white label
Okay,
agency.
perfect. I joined late. Can we use in WordPress site?
Yes, I mean, we have customer chat plugin. So having few codes of line added in the header, that will give you the chat plugin, then they can start using it.
All right. What silver means?
Okay, so
That's a good
I don't
question.
know. Okay, so I don't know where is my co-founder. Probably he was be listening in on the other end. So before like me and my co-founder interacting that one, he created a pet project called Silver Transfer. You know, share it app where you can able to share your app from one mobile to other app. So he created like Silver Transfer, and it was there, I mean, till like 3 months before, it was there in even Google Play, and it was his pet project. Then like I was interacting with him that, okay, what is this Silver? Then I got to know that, okay, it is his last name, Silva Fernandez. Okay, so
I'm sorry, but that's the most that's the most lame way how to come up with with names.
so since we had no, the thing
But
is
it's
that, okay,
amazing. I love it. How honest
because
you are about it.
the thing is that okay, because this is already created some SEO thing
Yeah,
already,
absolutely. I
Silver
understand it.
this one.
It's funny.
Then why can't we use this one? See, because people are already searching with Silver Transfer, because literally project was competing with Share It, although we had some challenges, but it is good enough that it can able to give some traffic. Then we thought, okay, why can't we use it? Doesn't matter for us. Then let's use Save Silver Bots. That's why Silver Space Bots.
I love it. Okay, another question. How is it better than available market available bots like ManyChat, ChatFuel, etc.? Great question. I saw it
Okay.
multiple times.
Yes. See, as I said, okay, we are both of this world. ManyChat, ChatFuel, Mobile Monkey, and Octane, Shop Message, Recart, and Zemper AI. So uh, as of now, okay, so we have the capability of what these guys are doing, but some of the feature which we are lagging and which are in our roadmap, okay, definitely like when it comes to feature, we have some of the better features than other competitors what we have. Like they would not have completely, say, take ManyChat, although they have very recently introduced the e-commerce, especially abandoned cart something, but it is not fully integrated e-commerce platform.
Yeah.
But our platform is fully integrated, it's natively integrated thing. Man, like I would say that, okay, within 5 minutes someone can create e-commerce messenger bot. Just click the button, then it will ask your credential, add the credential, then click button, then your WooCommerce and your messenger bot is created. No need to do any single line of adding things. Okay, so that's the thing that we are bringing in. So yes, we will be becoming better than ManyChat. That's our vision, and our team are pumped up with that vision. So every day, I mean, especially my technical founder is a tech guy. Okay, so if sometimes if I ask him I want this, that is the guy who does it. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely we want to give tough competition to them. We want to be unique like all other messenger platform, because we want to give complete messenger marketing platform.
Yeah. Okay. I just checked roadmap and PayPal is planned tab. Can we
Yes.
get an estimated time for getting PayPal?
I think I need to talk with my co-founder. I can give you later, because he's a tech guy. Okay, so
Okay.
without is I can't able to commit something here. But yes, definitely I can, maybe after this webinar I can post into the webinar link, or I can see the question and then I can
Mhm.
tell that. But
Can we use?
because I know Facebook, I mean, like PayPal is very important. We want to do it ASAP.
Yeah. Can we use in the Facebook ads such as feature reply to comments?
Yes, so we have already this option available. So they can, I mean, we have two options. One, any Facebook post, anyone comments it, they can send particular, maybe a flow or particular text, or maybe particular product or particular poll or particularly news, anything that can be sent. Or if they want to choose only one post, maybe they are now marketing the shoes product, then that particular post, then they can add that product in the phase two, I mean the click to messenger ad, so that what
Mhm.
will happen when people comments on that, or that product will pop up. Both the options are available.
Okay. If the same question asked by clients, is it supporting multiple answers and AI will handle it?
This is how what we designed. If the same question been asked, okay, I mean, for example, if they ask same question, our AI tries to give the same answer, because it does not make sense giving a different answer, because when the question is same, the answer should be the same. That's what I believe.
When the
Maybe
meaning of the question is same, right? The
yes, yeah,
question doesn't necessarily needs to be like completely the same to the letter, but the
okay.
meaning of the question is the same. Now, can you understand the meaning of the question?
Yes, see, it would be rather than same, it would be similar question. That would be more I can understand. Okay, because same is something same. Similar is that some variant of that says the question. Okay,
Mhm.
see, for example, as I said, okay, like we are coming up with a lifetime deal, so we call it as a LTD. Okay,
Yeah.
so in our AI, we can configure this variation. Like you say that lifetime deal, and then variation can be LTD, or maybe some ABC, ZYZ, like that. You
Yeah.
configure it. When the questions will ask by what is the offer LTD, or what is the offer of a lifetime deal, then it
Hmm.
gets answers. We can able to do. We can create keywords.
Hmm. All right. That was the last question. Okay. And I will check if there are some more questions. But meanwhile, please, Vijay, would you be so kind and show us, like in short, I would say maybe 5 minutes, because we'll be diving into details tomorrow and on other webinars as well, how the whole platform looks.
Okay. Okay, so let me go. So I'll not take more than 5 minutes. Okay.
By the way, guys, you're amazing. You are asking so many questions. This is the first webinar, and I can believe my eyes. Like it's so cool.
I know, like even morning also. I mean, I have been answered so many questions in the
Hmm.
post itself. I know people are curious about this platform.
Hmm.
Uh,
When is the deal coming? Deal is coming tomorrow, Nico, on
so
Cyber Monday.
Okay, so this is the dashboard. The moment someone logged in, so they can see the dashboard. I'll just go through quickly. Okay, probably tomorrow we have walkthrough, then we can go deep dive into this thing. So this is the dashboard. Okay, so where they can able to see the complete user, new user. So new user is based on this filter, like last 7 days, 30 days, and active user. Active users are the people who interacted with the bot. And sales, since we have a e-commerce module, so the sales can able to see here. and they can able to see earning by date. And then again, once they click on view full report, and they can dive into their sales report also, because as I said, one of the clients, okay, like how they got ready for a Black Friday, because here you can see that, okay, top products sold, top vendor they sold, this is the one they stocked it more for their Black Friday. And they can see products in order by date, then orders by date, and then this is earning date, what we saw in the dashboard. And they can see all time sales, then sales based on this filter, and orders and products. Then they can see the total user, they can see the growth of the users here. And this is the user message. Okay, so this is where that, okay, we can able to know that, okay, so which is recognized by AI and this is not recognized by AI. So let me go through the full report. So because how we can make our AI smarter day by day. So once we go to the full report, we can see that user with no messages. If there are no messages, then we can able to train them. User with responses means if it is frequently asked, okay, even we can see that how many numbers of the time they asked, even those count numbers also will see here. Maybe then they can create their blog post, or maybe they can send a email to all the people with that FAQ. They can do anything like that. And most answered question training phases. So this is the more important, which are the things which are not respond, then they can able to train the bot. This is about AI user message. Then they can see the new user message growth. This is the based on the filter. And new user by source. Maybe it might be a chat plugin, maybe messenger marketing, ref URL, maybe a QR code, like different sources they can see. Uh, then this is total user by source. This is based on the filter. This is total number. You can see that, okay, there are this many direct people. These are through messenger link. And a new user by gender. And then total session by reference, the reference URL. Suppose they might be promoting maybe Black Friday, and then they are giving this then they want to see that what is the session they spent on this one. They can able to see that. Again, they can see the full report. And new users by language, we can able to see that what is the language they are. So because this is the one thing that, okay, if more users are coming from particular region, then our bot can be designed in that language also. So this is the dashboard. Moving on to the next e-commerce module. So this is the e-commerce module. So so you can connect Shopify, just click button, then couple of credentials, all those information, then it will be synced. So no need to do not even one block you need to move here. It's we already created best template, because based on our experience, we know what kind of e-commerce template would works. Again, if they want internally to customize, then anyway the template once installed, they can able to customize it. And again, connect to WooCommerce, just couple of button, they can able to connect to WooCommerce. And this is the setting related to this e-commerce. So when I go to settings here, I know I'm going smart, fast, okay, but tomorrow we can go a little bit
Yeah,
slower. I
absolutely.
just want
Tomorrow
to,
it's a
okay.
thorough
So
webinar.
yes, so it's a open hours. We can Facebook pixel code. Okay, this is Facebook pixel code can be used to track that. Okay, people who are added to cart, initiated checkout, purchase. Then again, we can use that pixel for retargeting things. Then abandoned cart message. This is what very important. People are added in their cart and they abandoned it. Then we can send after like notification like that. Then image of the product. It can be square. It can be rectangular. Then allow to rate the orders. So rate is nothing but rating the orders. Basically the feedback, maybe 4 star, 3 star, or like whatever the feedback that one. If they want to change the rating, like next time they can do so. Then send notification when change cart status. When there is a change in the cart status, then they can send the notification. This is the payment. So right now we have a Stripe payment gateway, and we are planning with PayPal, Razorpay, and a lot many other payment gateway in our pipeline, so that people can start accepting the payments inside the bot itself. And this with connect with Stripe payment support, this card, WeChat, Apple Pay. So then they can like enable, disable, or if they want to have only cash on delivery, they can do so. And this is currency, they can have multiple currency, whatever then, and this is the symbol of that particular currency. Then shipping. Then shipping can be like ship to a customer or pick up at the store, or both the things. then show store address, then shipping country. They can, if it is a multi-country thing, they can select multiple things. Suppose if I want to have multiple, I can do so. If it is only particular country, they can do. And default shipping country, so we can choose which is the default country and what is the delivery cost. If it is a free, then 0. If it is like you are charging in delivery cost, you can add it here. Then every add to cart will have default, I mean, delivery cost of this value. Then checkout. Then what is the minimum order value? So suppose if you define that I want to minimum order value of like maybe $50, then only it will allows them to check out if they are reached to this level. Then maximum vendors in cart. Suppose if it is multiple vendor, then suppose you want to them tell that okay, only 2 vendor product can be purchased or something like that, you can do it. -1 is nothing but unlimited. Then require buyer name, email address, a phone number. If in case if you don't want, you can uncheck them so that that information will be not collected. Then moving back to e-commerce dashboard. So this is vendor. If it is a multi-vendor, like for in case shoes, it is Adidas, Nike, or Puma, something like that, then you can add different vendors and categories there. And this category is related to the products. And this is the coupon. The coupon systems are very good here. They can able to control based on percentage, maybe based on certain value. Maybe they can give particular discount value. So discount code, what it is to be there, and discount can be percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. And if it is percentage, what is the value? If it is the fixed value, what is the value? Is it for entire order, or is it for specifically certain category, or is it for specific product? Then minimum requirement, so maybe it is none. Or minimum purchase amount, if you have like $50, then only we can apply $10 coupon. Or minimum
Mm.
quantities, maybe if you have 5 quantities added, then only I can give 1 quantity as a free, or maybe a discount or something. Usage limit, so maybe you can limit them, maybe like it is only 100 units for FOMO. You can able to do it. You can limit number of times that user can do it. And then start date and end date. So this is completely a coupon system inside the bot thing.
All right. So I added more questions.
Okay.
Uh,
So yeah, let me finish this module, e-commerce module,
yep.
so that I think that would be better again. So this is the
Sure.
order management system. So whatever the orders that they took in Messenger, they can able to see the customer name, price, what is the status, what is the date, and rating if they provided. And view analytics is that will take the dashboard report which I showed you earlier, so that they can see the complete report on the products. And if they don't have Shopify WooCommerce, then they don't need those things. They can add product directly here. So they can click add product, and they can add name, description, then price, taxes, discount, then image URL, inventory, whether they want to track it, don't want to track it, then they can select it. Tags, if it is like maybe
Mhm.
shoes, maybe red color. So because tags are searchable, you can able to see that one. So that's where you can able to add tags. If it is variant, maybe I can say color, sorry. So maybe it is red, maybe black. Then you see that, okay, that this information created, you can add the different pricing, different quantity also. Or suppose if I want to have size, maybe I say 7, 8, 9, then you can see that created here. Maybe add-ons, suppose if you want to add on particular product, then you can able to add the add-ons here. Or you can create the product that is only exclusive given as an add-on. And there are more options here, like what is the vendor, what is the rank. So basically, suppose if you want to promote any particular product, then you can rank it 1, so that every searches the top result would be this one. Not like that, the key, it should matches the keyword, so that when it is matches the keyword, this is the product that will be showed first. uh, so you can rank them. Then what is the category, like you can like go
Yeah.
subcategory, again subcategory, all those things.
Mhm.
And allow the user to send message to request special request. If they want to have some special request for product, you can allow them. Use this product only as an add-on. If in case you want to give this product as an add-on, you can do so like this. So this is, you don't need Shopify or WooCommerce, so you can do directly here. You just have you just need a Facebook page, then come here, add this product, and you can start selling things.
That's powerful.
Yes, done with e-commerce.
All right. I have a site with more than 300 products. Is it possible this bot to answer client in which product page client present?
I have site more than 300 products. It is possible to bot to answer the client in which product page client present. No, this is something that related to the website interaction with the bot. Um, I'm not sure because like I don't know how to answer this. Probably maybe we need to do something with the backend coding to understand on which particular page, because it is not something not related to what it can do, because it is one of the marketing channel where you can able to showcase your product. But what we are trying to do is that, okay, whenever add to cart option is given to user in the website, so then we want to give them a checkbox where they can subscribe the messenger things also. That way maybe they can able to get it.
Amazing. Next question. There are also a lot of Facebook Messenger chatbots in the market. How are you different from the others? We actually answered this one, but in short, can you repeat, please?
Yes, if you want to generate lead generation, if you want to do customer support, if you want to have e-commerce sales, maybe if you have Shopify WooCommerce, you can natively integrate with us. If you don't have both also, you can able to add your own product in our platform, which I showed you now. So I think, as I said, okay, we are both of this world. So whatever you want to do in Messenger, our platform is the one.
All right. Do you offer customized service?
Yes, so this would be, I mean, as I said, we are an agency. I mean, I'm an agency owner. So then we will take into a different level.
All right. How it will handle voice messages of the clients during chatting?
We are in beta. As of now, we are implemented in our Silfer bot. Okay, so basically just whatever you are typing the question, then whatever the reply it comes, we are doing that in the voice thing. It is in beta. And I don't think so I mean, very soon it's gonna happen for the thing, but yes, it is already in beta stage. I mean, if people want to test it, they can go to Silverbot, just they click on the mic and then they start it, they get replay, but it's in beta.
All right. Sounds like you're similar to Octane AI.
Yes, as I said, okay, we are of both of world. Okay, so we are Octane AI also. We are like other competitors like ManyChat also, because yes, we don't have the visual flow builder as of now, but Q1 we will get a visual queue builder also, so that like you can do anything that you want. But we are not like Octane AI. We don't charge exorbitant.
How do you compare to others? I would like to see a healthy competition between the two chatbots under PitchGround.
See, I mean, because if I don't know something about it, it's very difficult for me to comment it. Definitely, we can be very healthy competition. So it's not that, okay, we want to be healthy competition. It doesn't matter. It might be Odas, or it might be ManyChat, or it might be a Octane AI. Anywhere in this case, definitely everyone want to be a number in there, these things, and we strive for it. So yes, we strongly recommend healthy competition, and like you compare with any others, yes, we go into that direction.
Migration from ChatFuel and ManyChat is possible?
Yes, just 2 buttons, export PSDI there, import PSDI here, done.
Amazing. Can create sub-account white labeled?
I think I already answered white label, because
Yep.
it is technical challenge which we can't able to do it. Can create sub account? Basically, agency will get multiple accounts. It's not sub account, because the bot will work based on pages, the Facebook business pages. So there is so you have how many pages, you can create out that many accounts.
Able to have email alert widget?
See, right now, as I said, we are integrated with Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, and MooSend, where they can right now can send the user to that particular subscriber. From there, they can trigger that one. In our roadmap, we have email, native email thing, so that once that flow comes in, then that will shoot email. We are working on that presently. So similarly, like even we are trying also with SMS also.
All right, perfect. Embed on website. Yes, we answered this one. It's possible. Integration with Giphy.
Yes, this is what I told my technical co-founder. I want two things. One is where we can add a GIF thing from the library or something, and the other thing is emojis. So these two things, yes, I already told them. Very soon you can expect this one.
Perfect.
No, those are needed for any chatbot.
Absolutely, they are. I already checked your marketplace section. It's good. It's not a question, but it's a nice thing to answer.
Thank you.
No answer.
So very soon, okay, for agency owner or in a matter of any freelancer or anything, we will give the capability to create template and sell in our platform. So that, and I want to tell this one, we have a template protection, meaning that, okay, while you are exporting the template, if you check that option that you don't want to edit that template, you as a agency, you can uncheck it so that they will not able to edit that template, but they can able to use the flow. So that's the beauty of agency plan.
That's so good. This is something we actually required when we are selling messenger bots, because I'm a competitor of Bottle Chat, as you already know. Because
I know.
If you would share just a template to our client, well, clients can sometimes mess things up for themselves, right? And if you can lock it, well, it's quite cool.
Yes. So that we thought of, because as a messenger marketing agency owner, I thought it. I requested my co-founder. This is the one that we needed.
Yeah. Do you have integration with ConvertBox?
As of now, no. But we are planning to get some basic landing pages things inside our bot, so that I don't think so you need a convert box. And we are thinking more of e-commerce also, so that like this called our growth tools. So we want to have powerful growth tool natively. But definitely, if given a chance, people needed the convert box, we can think of that one.
All right. Any working live bot that we can test now?
You can go to Silfer Bots, or maybe I can share some of the demo e-commerce bot.
Is it like this?
One. Yes. But we don't have e-commerce. I can send the link of e-commerce bot so that
you can share everything we've been talking about.
Yes.
But for now, if you want to, like right now, if you want to test bot, just go to m.me/silferbots and click send message, or just search it in your messenger on your phone or in messenger app. Is it only Facebook bot?
Yes.
Right now,
as of now, yes.
But in the future, you are actually open for and ready actually for WhatsApp and stuff, right?
Yes.
I think, this is the question about, for example, if I have various different lead magnets running on Facebook ads, can I send these people to different URLs so the conversation will start from a different point?
Yes, that is what we can use a ref URL. So based on your ad, you can able to send them to particular funnel or particular flow.
Yeah. So if I will be running ads in New York, in Boston, and in Washington, then people from New York will click and it will say, "Hey, New Yorker, here's your lead magnet," and same with Washingtoner and Bostoner. All right, guys. I hope that we answered many of your questions. Right now, we are actually out of time, but I will tag Vijay in all the watch parties so he can answer all the questions we maybe haven't answered yet. But for now, please, guys, go to silferbots.heysummit.com, because tomorrow we talk about, we will talk about how to use Silferbots, because Silferbots are launching tomorrow on Cyber Monday. So as usual, there will be a detailed walkthrough. So from a place where you don't have messenger bots to a place where you have a messenger bot, completely step-by-step walkthrough with Silferbots. So make sure that you will join to get some inspiration and actually make an informed decision whether to buy it or not. And of course, huge Q&A. We actually did huge Q&A today as well. But make sure that you will join and ask questions about Silfer Bots, because usually these webinars are the best where to ask questions.
True. So one thing I would like to ask these Q&A things. Okay, see, these questions which I could not able to answer means that gives me to implement in my product. So that's where like really I'm happy about some of the questions which I saw in this webinar. Also in the post in the morning, there are so many things. Okay, which probably at this moment we could not able to do this, but that gives us acceptance to take this feedback and implement in our product. Yeah, it's a huge for for them also, it's for us also.
Perfect. Okay. And then what we are going to do, we have 3 more webinars. Every webinar is different from for a different industry. So on December 3rd, increase your e-commerce sales by 15% with Messenger and live building of e-commerce Messenger bot and how easy it is. Then yes. December 4th, how marketing agencies can skyrocket their revenue with Messenger marketing. So if you own a marketing agency, if you're a freelancer who offer marketing services, or you're in a service-based business in general, this webinar will be for you. So December 4th, mark the date. December 5th, automating your customer support with Messenger bot. This is quite self-explanatory. So if you offer customer support of any kind, December 5th. I think we killed the topics because it's totally for PitchGrounders. We have e-commerce people, we have marketing agency people, and we have people who offer customer service, for example, in SaaS or anywhere, right? Because anywhere you need customer service.
Any business need customer support.
Yeah. So guys, it's a silferbots.heysummit.com. Link is in the description, I would say, or you will find it in Facebook group. And the title is Become a Messenger Bot Master, 5-day free live course by Silfer Bots. Just input your email address here, click book my place, and we'll send you all the good stuff into your email. Once again, silferbots.heysummit.com. Vijay, thanks a lot. This was amazing, insightful, and I learned a lot, and then I will apply it to become even stronger competitor of Bottle Chat. Thank you.
No, we eat donuts.
You eat donuts for breakfast. I see.
Yes, thanks. It was pleasure having my first conversation with PitchGround, and I'm really happy with the questions which we got it from PitchGround, because some of them are eye openers, some of the things which we need to accept and we need to adopt those things. I'm really excited for the tomorrow journey. So definitely what I would like to tell to people that, okay, so whatever you invest, my personal sure that, okay, you get 10x out of it for sure. So when our products is mature, definitely you will get 10x of your investment. That's a minimum 10x I can say. Yeah. Thank you, Jakob. Thanks, PitchGround.
Thank you very much, Vijay, as well. And thanks everybody for joining. And please don't forget to join tomorrow, because tomorrow is the Cyber Monday and we are launching. So see you tomorrow, guys.